tugetie kwenekia ase ikendiga yaete njeni konkuru kwa Clinton ondigi na boko sangana ntugetera se mitandao ito ya Facebook na YouTube buna KCTV nsemo yo website ito www.kctv.co.ke na bwege namba ito simira se screen ya 0768 719 namba ya SMS nere yo na bwege nere namba ya WhatsApp nyari go sangana into ase obwamo.
Alright, asante sana. Timetinga ikwabo kire korwa na bakunyara ko represent record yao nyara go twakire simi kusunyara go tipomere message buna Clinton ondiya nyara kwenda na chinsema go sena mbe yesimi ya studio yere burugabo 0768790470 na bakunyara go tubwatia live Facebook astotoka buna KCTV tubwate Instagram TikTok buna X account buna KCTV tubwate YouTube account astotoka buna KCTV Beyonce na bakunyara go tubwate mambialera so kunyara go sanga 92 of course sabna nakora wote bina mange sana twanyara go kwariganirigo kurwa se constituency kianda chorongorwa busi Bosekisi County amona chirinye ti county ya Nyamira mwensi mwariganirwe mambialero ase omoroberio bwenyoni Clinton
Yes.
The weekend yao na kiarenge mimi kama shabiki wa Chelsea I guess I should tell you how my weekend was passed litkuligoro litkuligoro twago soreti ne timu ya Wolves I met to understand ne timu cha mwego tenere season
Wolverhampton. Yeah.
How was the game
For you?
for you so that I can tell you my experience.
Yeah. For us it was a bit hard. I think encho tuanyoro to wichiguri pera se usaka tu alikosa na barobo ilikuwa nyumbani pale Emirates ni vijana wanajituma sana. I don't know what happened yesterday but then mpira udunda. Congratulations. Najua mjazoea hizi vitu. Mora nara vinte.
What are you saying? It was just a walkover. Mimi nilikwambia this season tunapatia team, a team that you are going to watch. In fact, I can't remember what I was like, why don't you give us Arsenal?
I'm happy for Enzo Maresca because Ongeire go to understand the team doing very good in terms of substitutions na ndena so meta mago so kurase game ya Bentangana against the City. Yesterday we had a very good change. In fact good play kurase Noni Madueke and of course Cole Palmer always called.
Joao Felix.
That was nice. Felix amerejesta. It was a debut. Chageta saa tikirete last season. That was nice. Muendelee hivyo.
Sindio?
Yeah.
Watupe Arsenal sasa. And then Manchester United. This before that every weekend.
Kick-off inakuanga mbaya. But again hata game ya kwanza Manchester United mbalenge buya. It seems pre-season ya bombe alika netibuya. They are not ready for this season. But again, Ten Hag has a long way to go. Arsenal mbanarete, of course. Tumezoea.
Arsenal vile inawapandisha sukari. How did you win? But ilikuwa revenge mode.
I told you ilikuwa revenge. We did our best. Nande hatujakuwa na pressure ile ni kutulia tu. Points ni zile a goal difference na tupekete number 3, but of course we are coming as time goes by.
Okay. All right, asante sana. Yune kati ya rito kunyara go kwandra. And by the way, let me tell you, etariki ya lero 26th August. Netariki nganje tekigima because it has a lot that happened. Etariki mune ya lero miaka ya kale. Na ege nteke tangani ase tariki ya lero tariki merongevere na isane mucho mutinyuga 5 na gatatu. Umungwana naro twasomete social studies oringikoro ko Haile Selassie. No metomorayo. He was an emperor.
Yeah.
Olivia Ense ya Ethiopia. Ja Rastafari. That guy etariki mune ya lero umwaka 1975 is when he rested. But a suspected assassination. Mungu anatandete sana. So it is a suspected assassination. Watu kuchesa abantu bali bonse banyarite konyora amatukama ko mustika kichin komuna insebo bogambi bwa Haile Selassie. Ekere banyarite ujumbe litkolia lero nga obeire marehemu. It was a breathing space. Wocha seba. Unajua kuna ule mtu anakufa unapumua. Bas.
Haile Selassie.
Murai bwense ya Ethiopia.
Nabanya teko bakago timoka chitariki unechiga 1975 na 2024 yini miaka irenga so far.
Nenda bana almost 40 something.
Something yes. Miaka Emiaka merongene yanyar koba ye koera na gueta 49 years chinga kibune chika mwaka 1975 mwanchu murigeria bono negati yari obwente kumanya kirogo chaka etariki iga na boigo kero kuinyoria ari aenegeti gwichinga ki chia magega negati ya mange tukwarigani ya sense mega entangani and of course litukuria rero litukuria ngeria barki babukura na asechi skuru kya kageire bose chikageire kuigorwa asechi nsemo au kuri no kumusana na nkororo sintofahamu abebori mbaye bakwibuya baira bane skuru tiba baira which is which because Kuppet nekanete nat nyanchiranete so ni nani tunaamini korende kingocha kirongo soemiremo imambia rero nanyarakora chigari chichiskuru mete they are colored chigendrete merubiri yo kuimukia bana so I'm like okay merubiri negendrete and of course gokubwate chinkwana chumura ibwense litukurigoro nigatebetenga wizara ichisemi yanyare kubage gwikira no kuigwana of course wizara nyene yabwato geteri uko litukurigoro ke gwatabanga abibori banyara kuba bakubwato kabarko goche sukuru sasa tujui which is which but rende kuranda onsia soru manchu murigena bago sangana intoto manye onyaye kwanyara kuba gokuboka na gutura abana bago kwabaikire sukuru bose ninkyoroberetie kere kubwatakana ngari tukerigane ritangani asa masomo yetam ya gatatu mwakoyo
abibori mbaro savings kiriba begete che school fees konye barire and they were like walimu munarudi shule mkienda wapi because mutulie yes tuko matare ya end month lakini tulibudgetia end month tukikula school fees so kindly tachera abu tikatoba egerere tikatoba barigerio boyane boyino we are supporting you as somogiro korende onye aye skuru yao babekire communication bagotebiritika abana bache skuru kindly nabukunyara gototebye mambia rero because tete kunyara gokora around check mambia rero tunyara kumanyangana ki skuru kichiri abana banyare kogende skuru alafu I would love to know the difference between Kuppet and NAT and the strength egati ya NAT na Kuppet why ritkuligoro abari mu abambanya ate gutwara na indege ikaro kende abwase bari ba NAT bakora una Collins Soyu wao walisema mugomo kwisa there is no mugomo today washa cancel yao wamembo walimu NAT mpatikane shule but at the same time nkarora bari mu bande including Korubusia they were like nani ende shule sisi ni wanatu na tuendi we said tunagoma I don't know what were their reasons I'm going to listen to it but Kuppet wamesema sisi hatuendi shule we are not going to school
such like questions ajela kikuevori and of course nakio asensemo eria ya tuika sensemeria ya gatatu iga asumuro biro ubanya nditukeriga ntu chikutwara mugani assess turukuru asekyombekeri kya ya Kuppet achikotumanya what is the difference abarimu aba Kuppet na aba NAT and of course kero abarimu abagokora the collective bargaining agreement na serikali ngoko representative ya mediga beyonce because if we have someone representing onangonero gochata benga at least ya serikali ya rock commitment because that was not statement baada tenga tunarudi shule because tumeona serikali ya chakiri kobeke meroberio yo kwene kigoikirania that CBA so tumanye kati ya Kuppet na NAT nana na bargain on behalf ya walimu
at the same time even tukenete tukumanya nkeringa oyo makorwani TSC gosene serikali TSC serikali because I'm to understand TSC is a teacher service commission
so TSC I think ndo inawalipa but they bargain with the government
bona batebo ntutwali tukuigwana na TSC I don't know where the gap is coming from because TSC is teacher service commission NAT is Kenya National Union of Teachers Kuppet is Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers now I want to know the difference that is what I would love to understand mambia lero nekera abayiga babere bakatebanga walenda mugomo wengine wanasema waendi what does it mean I thought maandamano ni kitu walikaa wakaamua ama kila mtu aliamua kivyake tupatane ground ni kama nurses na doctors and you know at the same time naro chabarimu aba nyagitari KMPDU from 11 counties pia wao wanaanza mugomo I don't know what it means
kwa mgomo wa walimu of course kerore kobwa amchuikiange nkeigo chietire tuliona Secretary General NAT Collins Soyu na Secretary General Kuppet Akelo Missouri wakikaa wako repressa at the same time bago tabanga we in support no mgomo yoga andrete of course bakanyore support cross chief branch so kereyati karama tukama keigo ange wiki ya mwega gochikogorwa tukanya gotwara different opinions egati ya NAT na Kuppet and of course baka gwikira litukurigorase bone ikirete ni kama sasa imepart ways. Natu wanasema kesho tuko shule, Kuppet wanasema walimu mbatoka. If you are under Kuppet usipatikane shule.
Of course ntobwata magani ese studio mambia rero yore mokonye bo munyakero bwase kyombegia Kuppet orusagero busi buchari kunyara gocha se studio tunyara gusangabira tata mavoli ayonsi to kunyara gusanga sobwa makorenda yo murigere ryo KCTV omwana ochire school kore you know yesterday na tali ta stage nende ntobwata robot yo asinale ngusangerere gatie birengererio bya egati ya Bible ya bonchorerio metekere school ko iguro konyora chibas chigari echiakaine chibukiri bakamambie ndebone ko bakomugo travel eli akabere chi bookshop echiakaine kugenda alafu bintu bya bana byiti skuru ebikone kwenda kwenda kokora socks yo ndigi to gweti molero unless uko na mzazi mwenye atalipa hiyo socks ondigi wewe kijana ambaye najua worth 4 million hauta afford socks. Yeah, so it is so hard at the moment, but ntoka niko manya kunyara wakora a round check na signatory check as 0768 719 470 mambia lero so telling anaki omwana wayo chire skuru abarimbo babakwanire babate abirimba kale skuru usomukanye te motumie fe motuma abana baka Mombasa nende muira de bunyomba.
And of course omogani oitase studio no mwalimu Samuel maticha oyore omokonyi bumunyakiro gwekyumbe gya Kuppet kurwa se orosagero ge county ya Kisii bono beka maburi ago gabo mwanchu muri gari ndonsi urata ke komanya igoro yobokori obuga bukurana se sukuru na boigo okwigwane gatia serikali n'ibyo mbiga bya bari buna jona gotebire tukikonyara ko batugusangana basome birengeri bya gukura ndonsi asore ngaki umwana bo kire sukuru na bari bonsi barase sector ya matatu tumanyanga abariko abanyarko bagwikirana so bonge erinde gwikirana se okwigora esukuru aseri tukerigari tangani ase chisukuru au kurwa se chingongo chonsi
asense Kenya. Alafu onigi bonongere kigana ko tebinga KMPD na barabu from 11 counties baradi yomo birobo. It was just a few months, two months or 1 month ago na ribanyara tegozi peke se yesibiwenye maiga yoko nyara kugirange metinye tato. What does it mean to the country when this is happening?
Muraibuense is going now through a lot. Tukwatu atware wizara enye of course abantu bamachati se mheshimiwa Susan Nakumicha se kuto engage stakeholders. Deborah Baraza a few weeks in office na rena bwate getiro yo kwene kyanga nkomera na rena bwate na vake MPDU because on bako chaka 11 counties it will spread all over from the main office ke Kora and the health sector will be paralyzed. Which is I think serikali ne bwente kwikaransa negative byombe biga yabe ke meroberio eriyo kwene kyanga andake na bota ikirani 100%. But when you do 80, 85, 75 at least nkoira abanyagitari bari moyo banyarko bako kandire meroberio yabo.
Now I don't know what turn which kunyara koira are we trying to prove incompetency of the government because ntoko tebabone it is incompetence of the cabinet because mwisonde babe barakora no motieni come on guys barakora but in fact barabara kuna mnyande patu docket anza kazi official gosebo simba aibu abande bakaye kuchinia maji na sisi hatukuona
walipewa. I think mtu hajapewa ni Beatrice
Oyo Maiga huyu wa gender
wili batrendo yonde mwatu ni general ya alianza kazi.
Beatrice ni gender ama
ASIL the East African region and ASILs Beatrice Asikul I think nero tara handed over.
Okay.
But ababande bonsipi
na kuna position haina mtu gender haina mtu
ile ya so ilagat haijanini wengine wote wako na nini
nika niko manyanga kiba alinge ko drop papers chapo kulige keroge kiga because hapo kwa agenda I guess I got a shot but anyway do tedwin matagaroga ali Brown Ontario utabanga nikiwa estates of Nyariacho the capital city of Nyamira tuned in to the world is happy to hear you. Oh, thank you so much this beautiful morning umatulvin sinta kutabanga bwa kirebya korudoha Qatar go ikabu machoge borabo itongo Bogisiankyo seito nondeme asante sana no meta Bogisiankyo agotebaire burabugari tongo aya simyo natuti agotebanga good morning korwa nyamakoro to nyama shoes basoira somoro biri this beautiful morning jere kirwo of course agontebinga bwakire buya korwa manama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County but there are these people that I like omonto buna jere kirwo angabuna you know growing up DJ Afro alikuwa anatupeleka moja kwa moja right paka pande alikupeleka pande gani
sehemu nyingi sana Especially India, Bangkok,
yes,
States.
Bangkok pale Thailand, you know,
tulienda. Na unasafiri tu na 10 bob.
Yes.
Mali umekaa. Tulia. Funga mshipi hapo. Airport kutoka Kenya.
Sasa huko
Bangkok, Thailand.
Bas, njia tu wanatupeleka mpaka Banama Bahrain Kingdom every single morning. Mimi napenda. I like that part, you know. Oto ikiwa nyako tuile ni bakaga asenkaya kanyimbo kali mwakiage village ya Kisii County. Kwa tukusangana baibuli bae gari Samuel Ongeri na maumu abo Maria Nongweri. Abana bae Masibiga na Macdotak no mwako Ben na abana ba mwabo Evelyn na Rebecca, Douglas, Duke, Julius, Emily na Gladys na bategera bonsi ba Kisii TV na mashabiki bonsi babeka somoroberio obatari batware lituko ligi. Asante sana. And then Enoch Mochere agotebanga good morning, watching live ku Rusebania Boda wakire biya nyasayo mwante iroro lituko linde. Akoganeria majirani wa Tanzania asubuhi njema ekere tukorie igoro anyarete gwikira na samatong amatanga Marco ya Marco Olio Zabron Singers alia senka ya Kahama Shinyanga mteganya saya bale mienkeyo asatigete familia nke pia ziwezi sahau mama mintoba cheba kwamboka kuruchinse muchiri chavyombe mwanyabando atwaro imambiengi ya Roberto Nyancha korubonya tacha nyamyobo Katolika no are present asomoro birebwenyo ni this beautiful morning. Thank you so much. Wow, you knew Marco?
Nimemjua juzi venye amefariki. Na Mungu ailaze roho yake mahali pema. Though nimekuwa nikisikiza hizo nyimbo, ni vile sijai mjua sana kwa jina.
Ni nyimbo gani unapenda ya Zabron Singers?
Sweetie.
Hai jameni, haikuwa rahisi. Mimi from tumeuona bwana mkono wake bwana.
Nyimbo zao zimekuwa tu ziko na ile touch. Alafu ni kama walipata bachite wakanyora this beat inaingia vizuri with the audience na watu wanapenda hizi nini. So they maintained the beat, waka maintain the flow, alafu walikuwa wanaenda na wakati. They knew when to release a hit at the right time, at the right pace and to the right audience. Yeah.
Yani, I don't know. Me, I have a spot for sana for the Zabron Singers, especially Noena Matera, you know, ukihesabu utachoka, kuna ya juzi, jana na leo, ya kesho Mungu kafanya, you know. Then they have katika yeye anitia nguvu Ntaweza. You know, their songs can really uplift you. Na inde anemono they have been darlings to Kenya of recent. In fact, noene kerachite ko igubove aiwete bobe kare Kenya. So it was a breaking moment. Which I say abesidi ebonsi tiga tujare ko baremi. I was so hurt by the way. Na ogosira kwa Marco, I was following up the whole process. It was a moment to cry with strangers and people who felt like family. Na inde kwa tigete gari familia yake. Meteko ba ekoroma sana. Umuntu akataje mutu mwathiri otimuka enkoro yangitire urara, you know. And you feel like it is not easy nege kugenda uchasi bonsi bali banyari gusiri abamu abo emambia rero teganya sanya ari kubabeka sama sabo usetwa babekira sama sabo nyasanya ari kubaremi bali banyari korara teganya sabeke chinkoro chia basaga ya na mbara bali baboke babwate birukunyo komenya ko ingoyo ndira batatu mutu mwate tiga karara rema ngobore biyatwaro kwegena utagoteba ngati nyagitari chikorwari nyasayo gwenya kene nyagitari nyorobo gwenya bwa bene je kiri bagoteba ngatura Ruth Nyabuto aboke onyori gusana Ruth Nyabutike tupeleke Doha Qatar bana nishatoka Manama Bahrain useme tukogenda Doha Qatar. Alright, ningitira se egatia jari pegwa tekao ikorigoro.
Karibu sana wanchumulira tusebona sensemo ya mangana mayendo of course nyora Joan Nachika gokoborio sangirintu birengere rivia gokobwatkana nari agendete kwanekio kurwa sechinsemo asokwigoro gwechi skuru andonsi asorenga kyoro che miro birandake bari muri kijirane cy'skuru nubwete ekengere kyangire kobuga bari murase mwasoira se town anese stage gachigari noro cyabarko bangire gosoa n'iki bag ngoso bare cy'skuru ayo munyene kurwa senka yago abarko bago babokire kwanyare ko bago kubaturobekera na se skuru nararia ya agendete kwanekio kubwatkana no kumusana okukoregati ya bari munsi y'ekyombe kyanat na kupet ne serikali gwetera se wizara y'ekisemigoro y'omugiro yokagire kwanekibwa gochakira rituko lya rero tokosikabosio tochakasengane iyo y'ekisemi muri wense nanyora trending ya sana anyora maybe anyora bajumbe tibari ko mwabirengereryo bya bananchi squeeze yago sanga na bananchi one on one abananchi bamuboria maswaya chakita se county ya Mombasa I think kera korete taro ya magendro igari ya kanyara kabaka sanga na bananchi ekurukwanga town hall kuengage ne president titukole goro walengensemo ya KCC
alikuwa town hall yeah alikuwa town hall jana bwate stakeholders au sensemeti semi of course atabango kwa ndrare goro yomo biro bwa balimu atabango kwa ndrare goro ya the issue of the new university funding model ya vile kunyara koreta liberera and you know I guess yeah it is true of woba bwarura searching korochia basai you know there is this gentleman aliambia the president Mr. President fears fallen and before I talk to you yeah you used to be good but right now if you lie to me, if you dare lie to me, I will go to the streets. Well, like, I don't know how William Ruto takes all that energy, all that pressure. Ikoro musonda renge Kakamega jana amekuwa aldai kapsade today's town hall kongea na Vasai, you know, the very day with kunwali na Vasai bakomo somera kabisa gari addressing, they wanted him to address their issues, but he was calm as ever. Loyo atemete go attention, and then there was a time atemete ko batevi when help started. These guys googled, they gave him the information, wakabambia acho wonga and everything. But I hope that by the time baru etoro mbanyo tenga chinkoro chabo chanyari bokanyeka before the end of the day nebenga twanyari ko batevi karo virvionsi amaboli alionsi anyari te ko boli kwa negati ali banyari to kwa but natebetenga is going to create a student center. I don't know what is going to happen to KUSIPS. Because mbabate obisigari Nairobi so alisema anatengeneza student center asema kuchukunyara gotegerera ebirero by'abasai you are allowed to go there put your complaint and it will be addressed and I'm going to make sure your complaint ilikuwa bekirega it is going to get to me with immediate effect.
Do you think ebikarebiga they are choreographed? Because at times I feel nonyabantu bali bakubulia maswali wanakuanga structured na wewe usinege ntoke koro sikutu randomly
in any meeting ondigi na kuanga imepangwa let us be honest in any meeting hata sasa tuambiwa hapa kwa ofisi kuna meeting ili tutasikia tu tukiongea hata sisi chini ya maji nito bwate mabodi gete tukali tukwanda diskori yale you get so and again at the same time muntu naro utabata ibirengero bya na bara ikemali akatebenga sa I have this question because not even it was really organized. See what watakwambia what they are going to ask, and the process yoko kwa na libo ndiro linaweza come up in the process. So as much as kura tabenga nege ntokia bangiru because the end it can't be just a random thing umra even socha. So it is an organized thing. Nyariko bango and all these people turning up. Yeah, it was clearly organized. But maybe hapo kwa maswali ndo kidogo I think paper B inatokanga. Emergency paper inatokanga. Ya waletangi the original one. Yeah.
Tigatora tegera chinkwana chayo muraibuense anamono ekerenga ki okomero no kwega negatia basawe karinga about the new model yo ere yogo fund about kwa cha Sechi University of course ya rentri libera Sechi wiki nkego cha itirega ebirangererio egatia baraina bananchi muraibuense na kwanete akanyako baga kwegerera umuroberio yo nabuga gasanga na bananchi abwa sense me tigatora tegera chinkwana chayo.
Yeah,
because it was important that we save our education system. I appointed a 42-person task force made of education professionals, people who had run schools and universities and colleges, people who had experience. And they took almost 8 months. And I tasked them with sorting out the issues in our education sector. These great professionals, and I have every reason to believe they did a good job. They came up with recommendations on what to do with CBC, recommendations that we have implemented, and to a great extent, we now have an aligned, competence-based education system. They also recommended what I needed to do in terms of pupil-teacher ratio. And it's the reason why I have hired 56,000 new teachers in the last 2 years, the largest in the history of Kenya. And it is also the reason why we are implementing the student-centered funding model that is aimed at sorting out the challenges that are in our universities. We are 1 year in. Last year, we admitted students using this model. And what this model has done is that we have taken the amount that we are funding our universities from an average of 45 billion shillings every year to 82 billion shillings every year. That is the quantum of additional resources we are making available, both for help, for scholarships that go to our universities. The biggest challenge that universities had was that they had inadequate funds, because we promised, or government promised, that they would sponsor students, both loan and scholarship, up to 80%. But they didn't meet their end of the bargain. And we ended up with a big crisis. As I have told you, we ended up with debts of close to 180 billion shillings owed to our universities. As a result, universities could not teach the courses that they were offering to our students, and we ran the real risk of lowering the quality of our education. And as I have told you, you know what kind of a risk that poses to our nation. The new student-centered
Icunega tichinkwana chomora ibwense ya Kenya keranyarte gutware geikaro n'abasabrit kuri goro nyortene geikaro gya chagete chinsa isato chabotuko kore tinyanyara kumanya tinyanyara kubwati manyenga sanga pikere tekera natigete kegenderete obutko bugukira rero ase naganete kumanyane nemono what is going to happen guchia ase bari korende such a beautiful morning again. Karibu sana mwancho murigererio KCTV tugendete kurigereria igoro ya opomusana no kwa sense mwiti semi korende twanyara kurigereria egatie chinkwana korwa saba bwata nebekyo mbekiana tamu na kupet igoro yo mugiro bwabali mu yokagere gutukunyara gokorekana rit kuri rero. In fact, as much as you are confused, even our teachers are confused even more. Chani chinkwana chabarai bakoro wa mona Collins Oyu wekyo tamu na kelo misori wekiombe ya kupet. Wengine wanasema it is over, wengine wanasema bado mapambano. Sana kutakira chinkwana chao.
We had an agreement because Teacher Service Commission decided to talk to us. We agreed after discussions, and the agreement was as follows. The second phase of the salary award for teachers was given and factored in the salaries.
Haya ni maneno ambayo yangeshughulikiwa kwa urahisi na tume ya Teacher Service Commission pamoja na Labor. sababu tulipokuwa na mazungumzo na wao waliweza kutuambia kwamba wanatoa shilingi bilioni 13.3 kwa CBA, lakini hizo pesa hatujaziona katika payslip za walimu.
That the notice which was to elapse by midnight today has been hereby withdrawn by the National Executive Council.
Kuanzia leo usiku wa manane, inapofika midnight leo, mgomo wa walimu utakuwa umeanza, na walimu wote ambao ni wa shule za upili, sekondari na vio ambao ni members wetu wa KUPPET hawatakuwa shuleni kuanzia leo usiku wa manane. Kwa hivyo mgomo wa walimu unaanza rasmi.
Bado mapambano. Ungekuwa mwalimu Ndigi, ungesikiza nani? Kama uko na pesa.
Ekiombe Lindense, kama ni NAT wakisema turudi tunarudi, kama ni KUPPET wakisema bado nakataa.
Bali umerejesta.
Yeah, because sasa hiyo ndo ya chama ambayo inapigania haki yako. Yeah.
Bona ukotegeranga where you feel like.
Onye kodensea KUPPET na mdosi amesema lazima tupewe kitu. Ogotulia. Onye NAT baadaye ile tunaendelea kuwatetea, endeleeni na kazi. Unaingia shule. Ningekuwa mimi mwalimu.
Eric Osora kuteba watching live koruke umbugali ditaro, of course naro choro bote korugali ditaro, tazo mungwana naro zeki mumina wimia kemia muna ikomia nyari kweniwa. Nga bakumusana na igoro yobore mo batam ajeri akorubonera guteba nga goikera bono nigo nganyete report nikena no kurwa semore ekiagera abana bare likely to report tomorrow, but our wish walimu warejee shule because term 3 is so short. What can you say about the idea of being term 3?
Term 3 of course in short, na ande etamomete gutwara mitinyi tatu. But term 3 na ku affected juu ya national exams mostly. Alafu na December holiday inakuanga.
Na squeeze by the way ni ile mnafunga alafu exam inafanyika. You know kitambo wangefanya waende waache. You cry watching them leave. So squeeze mnafunga shule alafu exam inafanyika. And I'm supposed to look at chitariki amatemwega uchokonyana gokorekana I know by now timetable ishatoka bado inatokanga by term 1 unaona na timetable exam. So we are supposed to know the dates at which the exam zitakirokorekana, but mainly ni KCSE ndo tunaweza sema ndo ngumu yenye tunaweza sema is looked up to, but about KAPSEA what can you KAPSEA grade 6 yenye hata tunanga number 1 mpaka number 2
zote ni national exam, ikuwe KAPSEA ikuwe
KAPSEA walisemanga si exam ni evaluation tu.
Yeah, si hiyo ndio inakuevaluate una proceed kwenda the next.
Alafu they look at perform aje kutoka primary nini from PP1 how have you been performing, mwalimu kiore good at, and then class kama ulikuwa unaingia then they rate it. Alafu hii inachukua 30%. So I don't feel if they really wanted us not to feel the pressure from KAPSEA, already we are not feeling it. Embusurengi yaote bakorubonchari gali bo mwanchani kondani na honorable Doris Donya toto aburi omubekira somoroberio. Alafu Edwin Omwenga korukisevia ndam no represent watching live omoroberio bwenyo ni mambiadero. Thank you so much. Aya ebingane bidengererio byabantu au igoro gose ya abaibori igoro yomogiro bwabali mu yokagero kunyara gokorekana ari kuri ya rero anemo gurwa se stage chechigali na se ti bookshop usasa abantu bakugora ibitabo abasubanyate kuikerana na kunyara gutwara amabolio au anemo no bunajeria kubolinga na inche ni nunganye tamonda bigose ngobwato kando mwana na agende school. Hata sisi tunangoja pia je mtu wa shule imekuambia aje, that is what we want to know. But negative kwana cha voluntary au anemo na sobo sombi na ase voluntary bali bako ni bitabu abaiboli aborokigwa akirabanya twokwani wabanyare ko kwani ro banyare ko na nibirengero byabo igoro yomugiro bwabalimu.
Sasa kwa majina naitwa Caroline Kerubu. Mimi ni mkaaji wa Bikisi hapa. Sasa nilikuwa nataka kuchukua mtoto wangu shule leo. Juu kesho wanaenda outing. Sasa ndio nashinda sasa kama kesho itakuwa mgomo. Ikikuwa mgomo itakuwa aje? Sisi kama wazazi itakuwa ni stress sana kwa wazazi. Juu ni gharama inatukaramia. Hata ukiona sasa kama saizi kutafuta hata school fees inakuwa ma stress. Kutafuta hata transport peke yake, shopping inakuwa ni gharama juu sana. Sasa ni vizuri kama huyu mwenye anasimamia Ministry of Education aongee na walimu vizuri ili watoto wakae shuleni wasitoke. Ndio angalau na sisi unajua mtoto akienda shuleni na wewe unakuwa free unafanya kazi yako hata kwa nyumba. Asante.
Ni Justin Kangwana. Nafanya kazi na coach. Msimu kama huu wanafunzi wanarudi mashule na kuna strike ya walimu wametangaza ya kesho. Sasa hiyo imetuaffect kama sisi watu wa matatu. Sasa imetuacha njia panda, tujui wanafunzi wanasafiri ama la. Mimi naomba serikali isikize matakwa ya walimu ndo mgomo usifanyike, mgomo unaoanza kesho. Naomba tafadhali government isikize walimu. Vile mimi naunga mkono matamshi ya the president of the Supreme Court. Koome alisema hizi bursaries MPs wanapewa, governors wanapewa, wajumbe wote wanapewa, ziwekwe pamoja ili shule zikuwe za free kama regime ya Mwai Kibaki. Shule zilikuwa za free.
My name is Charles Matara from Kisii, and concerning the question that you have asked me, ordinarily on a day like this one you would see a beehive of activities of students and parents trying to move up and down, trying to prepare their children back to school. But today looks like it is a different time because there isn't so much of activity as related to schools opening and stuff like that. Now, this is because of the looming strike. Now, this looming strike is because the teachers on one hand are talking of a CBA that was signed in 2021 and has not been implemented fully. Maybe one phase has been implemented. At the same time, they are also using the exam period as a bait to try and squeeze the government to the corner.
Tua Collins Otieno, mimi ni mkaji na mfanyabiashara hapa Kisii. Kwa hakika kwa leo tumeshangaa kwa nini serikali hajachukua ile nafasi kuzungumza na TSC NAT officials ili to avert the process of strike. Kwa kweli tulikuwa tumejipanga kama wazazi ili tupeleke watoto shule kesho, lakini kwa saa hii tumehofia kwamba tunaweza tuma watoto boarding lakini tena utarudishwa nyuma. That will cost a double cost. So hata baadhi ya vitu za shule saa hii imepanda juu zaidi. So we are appealing to the government, let them have a broad-based conversation, a very friendly conversation with the teachers, with the NAT officials, with the KUPPET officials, so that the children can go back to school as normal.
Abana ba koigora na mugusana noro gatiye serikali na barimu. Otosinyire una abana baje ke school banyora una masomo tayo. Negendo kende na rege ko yake ngeru na abana bar ba korwa bagende Mombasa. Bar ba kor Mombasa bagende Busia. Mbarwa ko enda South Nyanza, mbarwa ko enda Kajiado. Yo na berabe omuchando mona sabana. Oikaji skuru abande karo kende to kenchera bare. Pamunye ko nyora bno mago monoro. So otware ko boria serikali yaito, eitwanje tunantu to garati mono. Inga bari gichinchera. Bagambe na barimu. Egere baru nonya wiki beresa to bakoro musoso babwate abana mbawa interrupted. Mbaba disturbed, mbaba inconvenienced, na ndaba soe koike skuru banyore ba mumbai bako batendi abandu na bare form 4 wono baganderede ko kuyare ne sama temo na vera abegendo karo kende ke ko batanta na ko baito moyo. twara ko saban karibu na serikali ya iterike chinchara chia wanga mono. Given that tomorrow is Sunday, bakwana na abarimu na barabu na abayibori bande na abamu abana aba banyore chinchira eri abana banyoro botoereru boko anda chiskuru byari ganiko chaka masomo
tunabo tuiguete muna abayibori toira abana iskuru igo tware kuburia serikali nga tigerore na akie kugamba na abarimu erinda mangana yaera abana barusike kiaera chinga kibabere siko chiatakire bono baira ne iskuru erinde form 4 baye tayari sasa matemu abo otherwise inje gento nare kuganinkiringa omusoso yorese gati abarimu na serikali kigabagambe baigwane kiara ntunto tagete tutayarisa abana funzi baito elinde baje gukora amatemu biyamba abasako babasigo gikonyora umucyana
abarimu ne serikali ni musanaine nande ko yangusananire abantu bakumya na abana etamu yetoko yande gire nyenge kiara gebwata nti amatemu nande gebwata kimetinye bere gosoyo manenus bona kara bana wo chakanga Jumatatu mbaye kwa na skulu ntwa we ura to kumusana ndito sabe serikali kera mbaye gitu kwebekere sei bona bakebekere ngori mbeti gandi sibagwe konyera baigwane n'abarange n'abarimu bayikaranse boronge bangira nge mistake nero lakini bareka bisi erinda abana bayigora skulu Jumatatu tushugutiga abana bangaike n'abana mbale bakogenda kiskulu kya saa tambe otoko sinturi ko ara bune ntwa bayibuli nakyo mwana unagide skulu nyente skulu kera bari muntu bari batianire mbara mwana ngira ngikyabero mwana uyu bano nto tubato abana so a question yeto yana neringa tige serikali etangase gosengo bato gotora abana mambi gosengo ko bwata
sakuru wanja kwaye katiye serikali n'abari bayikwanane egera abana baito bana skulu Jumatatu ngo semitu bato konenga abana baito babera spent kobera egebi ari na sincha matemari
bo banyare kugendera gabu n'abatenzi b'ekikanisa aho banyarte gwesokina barakunyara kuganinga eserikali twaro kuigwana nemono barwete obusaba kwabo gochese Julius Ogamba the new waziri gwechisemi bakamutebi kwanera abarimu abaiga twaro kuigwana munyare go twari chibungana ki ibintu bye kunyara korekana karanta mutiri abana mbatakire kwira na chiskuru mutarengi gwancha munyare go kwana yeah
na evidently barure gago and of course waziri na wata mange dealing from the university achiko rigeria nga kichi school and such secondary chikanda primary we have the new CBC kurende gago chikoye kuchinga kichinyororo is trying much na najaribu sana naro chese diru beria ya idia watu kitwe na tete ba watu kirega tichi besa kira chekone kyabuna andake gwikira ni kire some grievances cyabari mtari onsirende but echinga bakonyora warudi shule serikali ikiendelea kujipanga.
But last week he really faced criticism, especially kiranyari te kusabanga chi university nyari kwa admit ya wana bonsi piva korita matemu ekirasi kumikina kabere. There was a lot of pressure, a lot of questions, a lot of tension and munase sector. Yechiseme I think that is what led to the conversation last night. No muraivense on the new university. Yani tukisikia CS ni kama tuendani na vizuri tunaita president kuja hapa. Toka sababu unatoigwele kuna wanga bongete so that tuone how we can iron things out. But ayune gatiaria mange to kunyara go kwandre mambia rero kero magini itoncherare gocha wasta kero chaka ngambe tu kwandre kure mangane system tunyara go kwira nelinga ngo kwaboro mwana obuche school rit kori yanke because umetana ndabe buri abangerero batigira abana ka kupima anga udo wapige shule watoto wanakuja kesho watoto waambiwe toka mkienda shule so ntachukunyara kwa ndegoro ya mangana echisemi korende aseboniga tunanyara kwenda sensemendi studio lazima tulipe bills 1 2 3 alafu tokoira na ntonyara gusanga sama gazeti John Kwamboka na Dede Tariane
nanche nkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi director mtonga Kenya Croase studio akabere na yatoganda tekobwatira ne mambi ya rero kwene kyamero gini chipi chango chara senchirengi yatoskare kona turasege kagetari getam.
All right.
heart of Africa, where dreams are born and passion is boundless, a new wave of talent rises. In La Liga, these extraordinary athletes are not just playing the game, they're transforming it.
¡Estamos aquí, somos campeones!
Dani Rodriguez, the man chasing, it's Lamine Yamal! What a magnificent goal that
They
is!
shine on the world stage. Watch as they redefine football, inspire millions, and make history. La Liga, where dreams become reality.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo chobosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwanchetekegima ase amagoria insemono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception asokwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwansi oraganye bobote jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya ekyokwegwa ase amagoria insemono. Boigomba bwate eba gose ensemo yokwegokeria asogotegerera matera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bale omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake nabo igomba bwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chire chisize au nabono chibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo kurwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo kurwa chiribu 4,500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality boigo kogweria rigori ryabo kurwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia boigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero ase metenyebere yoka. Lazaon Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazaon Annex Hotel. Yoboigo ebwate e hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori endagira amone binyugwa arensemono. Boigo ne wate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemekenyebere echokonyora ase siringeri bweyemo yoka echo chiagure korwa erweyemo na 500. Lazaon Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angena Lazaon Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisii Nyamira Highway. Nyokabonyore obokoreri obiyekegima na kwegokia ase rigoririense mono. Asamange bakirisimi wetrase number 0705935500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Mwanchumurigere karibu sana naenda nsemega ya kabere asensemo ya magazeti of course iriboti temambi ya rero linene igoro yo omogiro no kwigorwa wes chiskuru na bwigo omogiro egatikyo megeri ya kupet na nat nani ndo kusema to Chicago kuboli nyarako bako turesebira ngari byabo mugeni to nyarako baka gwikirana ase studio etokoso asa magazeti ya kego to gukora to gwera senkwa na ito to nyarako bato sanganera so bwamo keep your questions coming chi comments chago chinyagocha irire to goso ase nsemi to nyarako manya ine kurwandonsia sore abarimu basura ase chiskuru abariko bekira ase chiskuru na bwigo to chikomanya what is the difference or between nat and ndigi
Alright, asante sana mwancho muligererio Kisi TV ogendrete kubwatu morobere bwenyo niyo mambi ya rero. Of course nensemo ya kabere abasto komnyoka sensemo ya magazeti ya Sobwango tubate gazeti ya The Standard, Daily Nation, People Daily amo ne gazeti ya The Star abasto rajikunyala kuligereringa ninke kiro bolitasti gazeti chwe mambi ya rero abwase mbogeni tunentwanyariwe kirana se studio rajikunyala kuira nelia maboli ayubuna whatever is written on the bold letters zigoroga crisis in schools anemo nondo kunyara komanya maboli twa regoro ya kupe tundigi tunyara kumnyaka sensema magazeti kolende John kwambukana lilialiane director mtonga Kenya nere tukubwatena na nere kurwa asensemo yende ye studio tunda sa magazeti abasando to stand by ne gazeti ya The Standard.
Gazeti ya Standard really kolimwamo, of course it's in regards on what is happening today. This is a big story about the crisis in school. As a whereas primary school teachers will be in class today, their secondary school colleagues have vowed to stay away. They were ordered, but okay, but sensemo ya post primary education teachers, but this coupled with the risk of mpox, parents struggling with fees, and the administrators disgruntled with capitation, a return to school has been complicated. A lot is going around as a sector HSME, in as much as everyone about mpox, school fees, you know, all these kolende ya sepeji akana segazeti ya The Standard no chikonya romogano yo ase enchera.
By the way, Clinton ndigi okwa na regorio burero bwegabwa mpox. Another case was confirmed. Montanaro ndo togitino burero bwegabwa mpox, and at the same time naringe kubwatia kurwa ase the main nini WHO batebete the first batch ya the vaccine which kunyara kurwa burero bwa mpox which wika asoro Africa within this week. But I guess Kenya walishatuambia tungoje before the end of the year. I don't know when they're talking about Africa, where is this batch going to be delivered? But so far we know it is worse as Ensameria DRC Congo, and we hope that all is well. Na ndikibage ndatoka kwa screening and na into tukatoba sabenga take all the measurements possible aso kunyara gwetanga kurwa asobroiro bwega bwa mpox.
Yeah, na rayo because
but it is a virus, huh?
Ndoranya romo manyi boronge anyarko bago tobeka boronge, but it's compared na COVID, so ni kama ni kama ni virus.
Akatebanga bado they have not hawajapatiwa okay wasiende kupeana information that is not allowed.
Yeah, because we are yet to though imekuwa ikifananishwa na COVID, so we believe nige kubeka na COVID that is a virus. So asepeji akana segazeti ya Standard ngokuandera about that kero chiskuru chiko igorwa teachers adamant they are not going to class. That is number one. Number two, eborero bwa mpox is a threat gochia se egatia baiboria se keringaniga bana bangere kurana se skuru aso bonge, so kuna fear zinga wata oborira uraende gosamba. So parents are juggling between paying fees and paying other bills. Teachers are up in arms over the capitation amount the government is passed last week. You know, alafu nsega about being the shortest term with the nationwide exams looming. There is no time to waste as to whatever time ya gatatu nigere nkesana na wigo amatemu mange a national exam niga kwanekiwa. So Omboko Milemba is a Kupet chairperson. Awatebanga Teacher Service Commission has not listened to teachers.
Na akini sorry?
Is the Secretary General.
Okay.
Bono Munyakiro Gabatavanga TSC, which is Teacher Service Commission, has not listened to teachers' plight, and we now declare officially from midnight today. Midnight today, I think
washaanza kugoma.
So wamesema turudi uko shule because the TSC is not listening. Toko skansema kaiga ase epeji ya katano na kabere gazeti ya Standard no chikonya romogano about the debt misery for Ruto as credit rating drops again. Government faces higher borrowing costs after third global rating agency downgraded Kenya's credit rating. This complicates planning and debt repayment. But you know, a lot is going around us and the debt misery. Ya Kenya, almost William Ruto. Toko skansega sense moyo chenu why aging comes unannounced. A new study shows that our bodies don't just gradually wear out or rather wear down over time. Instead, they undergo dramatic transformation at a specific ages. EPG ya kabira sega zeti ya The Standard. Toko skansega nevicha yumo waziri monene umoske Musalia Mudavadi president's men, Mudavadi and Haji, now sit at the high table.
Yes.
They have a privilege. By the way, Mudavadi has really been getting some more favors.
You know, even as we are speaking right now, kwa Tokyo, Japan.
Amekuwa akienjoy sana hii serikali ya Kenya kwanza, ni kama shares zake ni mingi.
Yani, I tell you, Noega earlier I saw him talk about still about the AU post and the president Nata Vitali official letter. By the way, on Tuesday, kesho, all countries EAC wako Kenya under official invitation by the president to endorse
the right honorable.
Yes.
And of course, Karukwan about the AU job, Oyugana, the PS Interior, Raymond Omolo, Babo spearhead. So we are waiting tomorrow. Morawian Skayoj to unveil a team. Now that this man is in Tokyo, Tima Itingo Gochikoba, the chair of that, because
atakuwa merudi
so
because hiyo meeting alikuwa ya TICAD, Tokyo International Conference on African Development, I think inaisha leo.
Because he has been so spearheading this whole program. In a wake of the nationwide protest led by the Gen Zs, which shocked the foundations of President William Ruto's administration, the new dynamic has emerged within the power matrix of the executive. Mudavadi has been getting a lot of favors. The national state is in talk with the varsities to lower fees. Through the Ministry of Education, which has opened negotiations with the universities, vice chancellors, to push for a review of the program's cost ASEPG ya gatano. Abande batavanga embate batiwe ever free, so that students are admitted without any cash. Gochekwane kemero binechiko genda. Toko skagoro kaga se gazeti ya The Standard asoko kodre vichere kaga neyo muraibo mabwazimyo timetio yo kabeire boso yore. My vision for Africa. Raila Reddy's bid page ya Kianda ochikonyoro mugaro ya senchira yobo ikran. Of course ntwataba itkoria mambi neri tukoria you will be on the headlines now that the president will unveil the team which of Mokonya Kokore campaign. Kenya faces US wrath over Starlink. Of course, a business page ya 21. Safaricom wamepata mpinzani.
Starlink
yes. Doing very good, by the way. We have a massive abantu bangere waswase Starlink because of I think the good network.
But one thing I'm very sure wenye wamekuwa kinunua Starlink si wenye wamekuwa kikata fuliza direct from M-Pesa nini Hustler Fund. Oparare alisema mtalipa Hustler Fund. So Starlink I think pia iko na class ya wale ambao wananunua as we are speaking. But a new competition. Niliona wengine wakisema Kenyans were like Starlink ukimalizana na Safaricom kindly mwingine akuje to deal na Kenya Power.
Because one was saying monopoly na some sectors they feel they are irrepressible. But kero Starlink ya chire now competition iko vitu za kwa sawa.
But Safaricom silianza Kenya. Why don't we try to embrace our own alafu wameenda nchi zingine? So I think nawata kireba kwa ni robot pole because
issue ni monopoly.
Okay.
So walianza yes they are good
but wananyanyasa sisi
because hauna option. It's either Safaricom or you are not using any. Democrats beats big on the Muslim vote. A lot is going in some area campaign chipo attention ANC USA. Kamala Harris and Tim Wells bagenda teko Korea campaign chabo they are aiming the Muslim votes kwa nekangamba chikonyora opopui. The clinical KCB retain Kabeberi title sports page 31 chikonyora mange including what happened this weekend kurasa chiligi au.
Okay.
Tuira se gazeti ya Daily Nation.
Alright, nataka ngatumnyo kase gazeti ya The Daily Nation yoka tumanya ko mogene mambe ya rero. I see here as gazeti ya The Daily Nation chibicha chibekire gorogabu ne chibicha chiaboro kigwa bakotebanga students concerned about the severe impact the strike could have on the academic plea. Sura pale ni wanafunzi teacher strike. KCC candidates are urging the government to solve the pay dispute to avert the teachers' strike as the event-packed third term begins today. These are the two main teachers' unions are split on the industrial action. The Rift emerged last evening when NAT withdrew its notice just hours after Kupet and had voted to endorse the boycott. Asepeji yakane peji ya gatano ne peji ya gatano na limo alafu unaona wale some of the students who are complaining you can see moja Nakuru Girls High mwingine sijui Moi Girls. Wali wako ile huku kwetu huku. Do they want school? Achana na Kadi, sijui Nyabu au wanataka kwenda shule I know. The Kisii school. I'm talking about ile shule unajua. So wase gazeti hiyo jali kwa jora egazeti onyala ko soma mangi goriyo mogiro babarimu of course we're going to talk about much about the same in a few. Police in Haiti facing pay delays. Ai jameni, relatives say ndege lilipo ticket one way kuna kulipo kuja na kwenda. Is it a two-way thing? Juu kama mshahara imechelewa. I saw them wameanza hadi kanisa pale Haiti. You've seen the clips?
Yeah.
Every Sunday they go to church, they worship there, they sing kabisa. And then mnatuambia whatever they are going through. Last week tuliona they were talking about the Awana arms that they need to fight the Haiti crew, and right now they are talking about the pay delays. Si pesa ilitoka US kabla waende. Hey, Kenya jameni. Trust Kenya at your own risk. Families of Kenyan police officers deployed to Haiti have complained that they are yet to be paid since they started the peace-making mission in the Caribbean nation. This revelation comes 2 months after the United States Secretary of America ordered the release of $109 million. That is 14.1 billion. To the finance. Ai, wacha tu. Chukua gazeti ya The Daily Nation, page ya Kawere. Wale kunasikia 14.1 billion already zilishamu 2 months ago kwa account ya Kenya. Like, but around that time ndo tulikuwa tunangoma labda pesa zilihangu mahali na kuna waziri ndiye anafuata Mbadi is going to follow up on the same. Ebichekire kabune abanyanyimbo ba Kenya bara senseri ya Haiti. Pale chini Ruto, Gachagua and Mount Kenya games of numbers. Deputy President says contest is between loyalists and sellouts. Na Kabera. I don't know what the loyalists and what the sellouts, but tomorrow I'm going to have that conversation. Alafu revealed special police unit used in abductions. Hawa ni wale tuliongelea pia last week. Jamaa anakuja pale amevalia specific. Wako na zile nini hapa za mkono ile ya kukupiga ngumi tumbo inaenda ndani. Na masks na maboots na you know, and they don't have number plates. There is no way you can, and they wear the same. You can't identify jeans. Sindo ile niliona Kawangware but alifikaje huko. So the special unit, the police unit used in abductions. Na kiwa huko ndrase page ya Gatathon askira wote banga team formed after anti-tax demos which caught state flat-footed. Page ya Gatathon enda pale unyareko soma oroboti orwa senchira yogo ikira nundigi. Naona leo tunakaa kuosha gazeti ya Star na People Daily.
Yeah, but in a sneak peek, we can do it in just 2 minutes,
so
sure. That Mwanchumo Giramanya what to expect. Gazeti ya Star one about the counties cash crisis, governor up in arms, and of course, kwa mention ya Vasigari Kurwa Sense ya Haiti with the delays in terms of payment. Ya waili baba kwenye kukwana aiga Kenya. Aja sense ya Haiti, they have 24 new armored vehicles, and sema ya sepe jagatano alimo Kalonzo pulling all stops to face Ruto in 2027 polls. Karon Serena and the Kwene Kianga upinzani ngo kinere. The Kupet digs in but not calls off teachers strike. Neroto Chukwandre in a few. The Inside Odinga's 8-point plan for Africa AU Quest or Sokile Manifesto ya 8-point agenda na bako nyorase peji ya gatano na kabira se gazeti ya The Star. Ase gazeti ya People's Daily, of course, ebiche yigane ya Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga bako tayonga Ruto's grand plan for Raila. I think the president activates Africa Network's set up secretarial and assembles the dream campaign team as he officially launches Kenya's candidate to bid for AU job page yakane. Tukus kansaiga se ikiombekia kia barimu ya teachers unions split on strike as the schools reopen. Of course, onoro mugano omonena sirituko riadero. Tos karingo sangatro no mogenita se studio tumanye the split between Kupet and NAT. Tukus kagaga HELB now blames cheating for positive funding mess. Eiga utochi gukwandra se oboime. Nara ikura se magazeti emambi ya lero Mwanchumo Ligeria.
All right, asante sana Mwanchumo Ligeria Kristo TV. Tukora nda sasa mwende studio sada ikea muto kuira na tunyara komagani omogene ite mambi ya lero tunyara gukwanera igoro yomogiro bwa abalimo. Ndigi, which song do you like? Solidarity ama bado mapambano? English or Kiswahili?
Zote. Yeah. I'm comfortable na zote. Yeah.
Lakini because itakuwa ni segeto na wazazi wanataka tuwaambie wanafunzi wanaenda lini shule, wacha wao wenyewe waimbe. John Kombo Kanali Italiane director Mtonga Kenya asema ndiye studio.
Nanche ni gongoro kwa Clinton Ondigi kurende nkonyuru mwanchumo ligero monitase studio Samuel Maticha uyo ilo mokonyi bomo nyakirogo ubwekiumbe ya Kupet kurwa sagia recountiga ya Kisii nora se studio Toskare nkore na tora segeka getari getambe.
Kisii TV amandegere yumugusi.
Dreams are born and passion is boundless. A new wave of talent rises. In La Liga, these extraordinary athletes are not just playing the game, they're transforming it.
¡Estamos aquí, somos campeones!
Dani Rodriguez, the man chasing, it's Lamine Yamal! What a magnificent goal that
They
is!
shine on the world stage. Watch as they redefine football, inspire millions, and make history. La Liga, where dreams become reality.
Kisii TV amandegere yumugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo Chibosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwanchetekegima ase amagoriense mono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception asokwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwansi oraganye bobote jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya ekyokwegwa ase amagoriense mono. Boigomba bwate ebago se ensemo yo kwegokeria asogotegerera matera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bale. Omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake na boigomba bwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chire chisize au na bono chibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga. Chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo kurwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo kurwa chiribu 4,500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality boigo kogweria rigori ryabo kurwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia boigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero asemetenye bere yoka. Lazaon Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazaon Annex Hotel. Yoboigo ebwate e hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori endagira amone binyugwa arensemono. Boigo ne wate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemetenye bere echokonyora ase siringeri bweyemo yoka echo chagure korwa erweyemo na 500. Lazaon Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angena Lazaon Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisii Nyamira Highway. Nyokabonyore obokoreri obiyekegima na kwegokia ase rigoririense mono. Asamange bakirisimi wetrase number 0705935500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Kisii TV amandegere yumugusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Keni Uhuru maine otire kuma Keni Uhuru maine otire kuma Uhuru Superstores.
Uhuru Superstores neduka egotoka imemo chokisi eyego koneria ebinto au oragani asenka yao ase amagoria insemono. Uhuru Superstores nigebwate ebinto byo tumeka nyomba bunabono obosibwe